In this lesson, I'll teach you to play the patriotic song, We Love You America, from the Making Music Fun All-in-One Piano Book Level 1B. Let's get started. Let's start by taking a look at the tempo term. It's moderato. Moderato means moderate or medium speed. Let's check out the first two measures of We Love You America. You'll begin with both thumbs on middle C. They won't be on middle C at the same time, but both thumbs should always be ready to play middle C. The rhythms in the first two measures are easy. They're all quarter notes. Each note gets one beat. You'll begin with treble clef notes in measure 1, playing C, D, E, C, D, with right hand fingers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then switch to bass clef notes in measure 2. You'll play G, 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 with left hand finger 4, 4, 4. It sounds like this. C, D, E, C, D, G, G, G. Give it a try. Great. The next two measures stay in the bass clef the whole time. You'll play G, A, B, A, G, G with left hand fingers 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. G, A, B, A, half note, G, rest. Try it. Way to go! Measures 5 and 6 are exactly the same as the first two measures. I'll play them to remind you what they sound like, and then you can try it. C, D, E, C, D, G, G, G. Try it. Way to go! 2 more measures to learn and you'll know the whole piece. These two measures start off like measures 3 and 4, and then the melody goes in a different direction. If you printed the lesson book, take a minute to compare these two measures. You'll start like you did before, playing G, A, B with left hand fingers 4, 3, and 2, and then play G, C, C with fingers 4, 1, 1. Sounds like this. G, A, B, G, half note, C, rest. Try it. Way to go! Here's what We Love You America sounds like all the way through.